Giveaway day! Giveaway day! Giveaway day! I'm so excited, you guys. I have had this book to give away in my hot little hands for a long time. Just never got around to it. I'm so excited to be giving away a copy of The End of Heart Disease by Dr. Joel Fuhrman. My channel is all about Eat to Live, y'all. It's all about high nutrient, plant-based, salt, oil, sugar-free stuff. I know Dr. Fuhrman personally. I had this signed for you guys a while back. Funny story though. When I had him sign this book, he made it out to me by mistake. I asked him to sign it for you guys so I could give it away. He signed another one just the way I wanted him to, and I have that one over there, which I'm gonna give away at some point, but I'm not gonna tell you which one it is. But I know that he inscribed it for you because when he inscribed another book for me, he wrote like a lot more stuff. And when he inscribed this one, he just wrote a little bit. So I know he's made a little mistake because it was supposed to be for just you, but he accidentally inscribed it to me. So this book, I'm gonna be crossing off my name and putting your name right over here. It says to, not Cheri, your name here. Best wishes, Joel Fuhrman. Okay, so this is a signed copy. But it's also signed by yours truly. Sending love and encouragement, Cheri Alberts. Because, hey guys, why not? Now it's signed by 2 people who love Eat to Live, and you can sign it when you get it too. Now, I thought you guys might like this, and I think it's got a really cute story too because of the little blender with the signing. So anyways, this is the book that I'm giving away. I'm giving away 1 copy of The End of Heart Disease. You guys can sign up for it by clicking the link down below in the show more description or elsewhere, depending on where you're watching this video. And you just use the Rafflecopter app. There's like a little widget in there. You can sign up in a few different ways. Sign up as much as you can, and please share this. I'm going to keep this open for about a week, and anyone can sign up. There's no purchase necessary to enter or win. And guys, this is definitely one of my favorite books. I don't know if anyone knows that, but I mean, I love Eat to Live and everything, but this is one of my favorites. It might even be more favorite than Eat to Live. I just love the way he puts things in here. I like in each of his books, what he does is he has a frequently asked questions section in the back, and he puts current information. As he writes books, he puts new current information. I love the information in the frequently asked questions section of this book. And I love the way he put everything all pretty much the same diet every time. If you are coming from this from a heart disease perspective, this is of course the best one to start on. If you're coming from it from a diabetic perspective, you should get The End of Diabetes. If you're coming at it from just a weight loss perspective, you can get The End of Dieting or Eat to Live. Those are great places to start. There's also some good cookbooks and stuff too. I just really love the way he puts stuff, and heart disease is so prevalent in our society nowadays. So many people die from or just suffer from heart attacks in their lives. And you don't have to be one of them with this book. So I'm giving this away. I hope that you win, and I wish you the best of luck. If you guys like my channel and you like what I'm doing here and you appreciate these kind of giveaways and you appreciate the information I give you for free on YouTube all over the place, I have like a bazillion videos up all about how to live your healthiest, longest life. Please show me some love back by checking out my Patreon channel, patreon.com/thewateringmouth. This is where all the cool kids hang out. It's where everyone who is supporting me to make more of these videos is right now. They are being so generous in giving up a little bit every once in a while so that they can support me to make more. I want to be able to expand this really big so that I can help you as much as I can, and I can help as many people at a time, and I can only do that with you guys' support. So please check it out. But you don't go away empty-handed. Not only do you get these free videos on YouTube and I'll be able to do more with your support, but you also get exclusive content, stuff that nobody else sees anywhere else, okay? Some stuff from my iPhone, personal stuff, also some really in-depth coaching notes and stuff that I'm coming across in my coaching with other people, and just lots more stuff that I'm not gonna go into here, but you can check out on Patreon. So please check me out on Patreon if you like this. Also, you can subscribe, hit the bell button. Only 30 to 40% of you watching this video right now are subscribed, which shows me that I've got a ways to go on subscribers. So please click that subscribe button and hit the bell to get the notifications for my future videos. Also, like and comment. These are very helpful things you can do for me anytime I post a video. All of it is supportive and I appreciate all of it. Thank you for your time. Please sign up for the giveaway. I hope you win this amazing signed copy. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Right?